What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As always, Peter, Professor X, bringing you another video on dropshipping, e-commerce, Shopify, life in general, whatever it is you want to hear about. If there's something else you want to hear about, please leave it in the comment section. But before we get started, before you start scrolling to other videos, please, I am doing a giveaway. 6 Amazon gift cards to 6 lucky winners. I know it's not much, but all you have to do to enter this giveaway is very, very simple. In the description of this video is my Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter. It's a brand new Twitter. Very simple on how to enter. You like, you subscribe. That is the only way to enter the giveaway on this. We'll be doing a lot more giveaways, so you do want to be subscribed. Turn on those post notifications. But like I said, I just want to give back to some of you. I have these 6 Amazon gift cards. I know it's not much to get some socks or maybe some dropshipping products you could order to your house to start testing, and I really do appreciate the support, guys, so please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so let's jump right into today's topic. It is so important, especially for you international people. Okay, I'm in my Shopify account right now. Get paid faster by managing your money and business in one place with a Shopify balance account. So basically what they're doing is they're starting a balance/bank account. Don't have to have an external bank account. They get paid right in their Shopify bank, and they get to deduct their expenses, like their advertising expenses or paying their suppliers or whatever it is, right from this bank. Shopify has a reason for doing it for themselves. It's because they get to keep the circulation of money in their own accounts as opposed to transfers going to other external banks. This thing is looking like it's going to be changing the game, but how will you benefit? How are you going to be rewarded for your loyalty to Shopify? Well, let's check it out. No monthly fees, no hidden fees, no minimum balance required. Now, if you have a bank account, you understand how important these things are. Banks love to have some sort of contingency when you bank with them. The next thing it says is get paid faster. Access money from your Shopify sales the next business day. That's up to 4 days faster than a bank, and that's true. So that's awesome. Let's talk about the reward. It says earn up to $2,000 cash back per year with a little asterisk here on everyday business spending. As we know, $2,000 isn't that much in cash back, but at 2%, only going to cover you to about $100,000 worth of spending. I know for a fact it will benefit some people. So set up your Shopify balance account within minutes. Use your card everywhere Visa is accepted, and this is important because you actually get a card to use wherever, like a debit card, directly right after the next day. Make business purchases, pay bills, withdraw cash at thousands of ATMs worldwide. Check your money, lock your card directly from the admin, and rest easy with FDIC insurance eligible up to $250,000, which is very similar to what banks offer. Banks offer between $200 to $250 depending on your bank. Maybe some offer more, some less. Spending rewards. You'll get 2% cash back on marketing, 2% cash back on Shopify shipping, on Shopify apps, on premium themes, on Shopify email, on custom domains, and 10% cash back on Shopify experts. Now, the Shopify experts, I'll specify, is if you pay Shopify to talk to one of their experts, you earn 10% cash back just to use those experts. Not many people use them a lot, but it is still beneficial. Some of the other benefits are manage your money and business in one place, no monthly fees, like we said, sign up in minutes and avoid the paperwork, which we know that some banks can deny you if they don't want to do business with you if your business is a little new. A lot of the times they won't. Get paid the next business day, which that is probably one of the bigger things. No minimum account balance required. Another big thing. I have a bank, I opened with Chase, and they charge me monthly fees. They force me to have minimum bank balances. Earn up to $2,000 in cash back per year, and the insurance. I have a credit card video on my channel. Go check it out if you want. I recommend my top 4 or 5 credit cards that you absolutely need if you're running a small business or an online business. And one of them I mentioned is the Capital One Spark, which offers 2% cash back on everything. But what I understand is if you are an international student, cannot easily get these credit cards. I've talked to a couple international students, and they have talked to me about the fact it's not as easy for them to open up a business bank account, and then more so, it takes more time to open up a credit card. And credit cards, as we know, is not a necessity as long as you have a bank. That's why this is important. But the bank doesn't offer you the benefits the credit card does. You can't earn 2% cash back on everything. For example, for me, I've done 10 million in sales. Now, I don't know the exact percentage off the top of my head, but let's say 60% of this alone was cost of goods sold. That means I had to pay my suppliers at least 60% of this. Choosing this for example purposes, that is the amount of money that I was either charged to my credit card or to my bank card. Just the cost of goods sold. 2% of that is $120,000 in profit. $120,000 just for using their service to pay my suppliers. You have to understand how important it is to use these rewards. Rewards are strictly profit right into your pocket. So if you can, go to Shopify, open one of these banks, and see if they can help you earn these rewards. 2% cash back. I'm sure the rewards are going to keep increasing when they see more and more people get involved with this. But as you can see here, it is is very easy. See if you can take advantage of these opportunities. These are absolutely wonderful things that Shopify is doing, especially for international students. This could be an opportunity to take advantage of this stuff right away. As of now, guys, I wanted to keep it short. I wanted to keep it sweet. I wanted to keep it simple. Do not forget about the Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do is like, comment, be subscribed. Please turn on those post notifications and go follow my Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter, I completely understand. But if you do not have a Twitter, you have to enter the other giveaway. You can learn more about high-ticket dropshipping. That is the giveaway. The giveaway is to learn more about high-ticket dropshipping, professional store building. And the last part of the giveaway, which I didn't mention in the other video, is a $50 in Ethereum giveaway. If you want to enter both giveaways, go do that. If you want to enter this giveaway specifically, all you have to do is, like, comment, subscribe, follow my Twitter. This way I can reach out to you if you do win. Comment done and leave a comment with your @ and if you don't have the Twitter, just comment, enter the other giveaway, done. That's it for now, guys. As always, Peter, Professor X, bringing you anything you want to see. If it is in my power, I'll make a video on it. Leave a comment on other videos you want to see, whether it's regarding high-ticket dropshipping stuff, low-ticket dropshipping, TikTok, Google ads, Facebook ads, credit, life. Been taking courses on stock trading, crypto trading. So if those are things you want to see too, leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it. See you next time.